There is a new exhibition at River City Bangkok called The New Arc, which is a little unusual. Incorporating the work of 13 artists from 6 countries, it features different art forms, various mediums, and a range of materials including wood, paper, metal, glass, and paint. Furthermore, it is claimed to be the first international art exhibition anywhere in the world which has been fully funded by cryptocurrency and its community. This is the premiere of the New Arc's World Tour, and many of the artists involved have travelled to Thailand especially for the event which, judging by the attendance soon after opening, will prove to be extremely popular with Bangkokians. Thanks is due to a recently formed international enterprise called Art Can Die, which has organised sponsorship. If you are interested and would like more information, please refer to the websites of both River City Bangkok and Art Can Die. There are links in the description.